Today, I'm going to show you how to make a simple and beautiful pipe cleaner rose. It's beginner friendly and you can customize it in any color you like. Materials are shown on screen. Now, let's start by learning how to make the petals. Start with one red pipe cleaner. Fold it at about 5 centimeters. Then twist it tightly at around 3.5 centimeters. Gently open it up to form a small rounded shape with a slightly pointed tip. Use the longer end to wrap and fill the shape. When you reach the top point, simply bring the pipe cleaner down and twist to secure it. Adjust the shape a little, and your first small petal is done. Make a total of 5 small petals like this. For the medium petal, take one full-length pipe cleaner, 30 centimeters, and one half-length, 15 centimeters. Fold them at about 7 centimeters. Wrap the longer pipe cleaner around the shorter one in the center. Twist tightly at around 3.5 centimeters. Bend the top part of the shorter pipe cleaner slightly to shape the petal. Then, continue wrapping with the longer piece. Wrap once on each side. What color would you make? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Trim off the excess. Gently adjust the shape. Make 3 medium-sized petals like this. Next, we'll make 5 large petals. This time, we use one extra pipe cleaner. For the larger petals, I'm using the same method as before. I'll speed this part up a little, but feel free to pause if you need. Are you following along, or just enjoying the process? Let me know if you'd like more flowers like this. Now that the petals are ready, let's move on. Now, let's make 5 sepals for the rose. Twist at 3.5 centimeters. Then measure about 2 centimeters. And twist both sides to secure. Make 5 sepals like this. For the leaves, start by creating a simple frame with one pipe cleaner. Then use another pipe cleaner to fill in the shape. Follow my hand movement closely for the filling technique. You'll be using this method quite often when making leaves. When you're almost at the end of the pipe cleaner, just attach a new one like this and continue wrapping until all the gaps are fully filled. After filling all the gaps, twist the remaining pipe cleaners together to secure the base. Gently adjust the leaf to create a more natural shape. Then wrap the stem using floral tape. Make 5 leaves like this. Each set of leaves consists of either 2 or 3 pieces. Once everything is ready, we can start assembling. First layer 2 small petals. Second layer 3 small petals. Third layer 3 medium petals. Attach between the gap of previous layer. Outer layer 5 large petals. Attach each layer one by one, slightly overlapping them. Then glue on the sepals of rose. Attach it between the gap. Slightly bend out the shape. Trim off the excess at the bottom, but don't cut it too evenly. This helps create a more natural stem, tapering from thick to thin. Wrap the base with floral tape. Start wrapping around the trimmed area, then wrap upward and back down to keep the tape secure. Attach the first set of leaves about 10 centimeters from the bottom. Then attach the second set about 4 to 5 centimeters below. You can adjust the number of leaves and spacing however you like. Finally, gently bend the stem to give it a more natural shape. And just like that, your rose is finished to look so soft and realistic. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a lovely day.